Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today we are the 19th of May. Happy Victoria Day for you folks. And the subject of my video today, on Wednesday video in advance, is I order something coming up from, let's say it's coming from far away, Southwest Delhi, India. Alright, it's made of brass. Can you guess what it is? It's on Wednesday, what I have usually on Wednesday, and that series will starting look almost at the end now. I've got maybe 2 or 3 more items to show you. Alright, yes, I ordered a brand spanking new brass stove, looking like my very first stove that I show you, and it's in I received it in that well packaged boxes, like full of it's coming from Ship Global, and it was delivered to me. So let's open it with my famous bayonet knife, life history knife. So let's try to open this safely. Just want to know which side is sharp, because holy smoke, man, that thing is quite well packed. I'm just gonna go nice and easy. I want to live. Alright, so let's go really easy, like this. Alright, open it like that. Now, almost like doing a surgical oh my goodness. Okay. It is well packed. I hope there's nothing living in there. You know how much I hate snakes. Open it gingerly. In the face. Alright. Let's open it gingerly. Oh, mama. Oh my god. That's a cheese whiz. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Mamma mia. I thought it was a small stove, but it's not a small stove. How am I going to open that? Ay, 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 ay. I hope it doesn't smell like that in India. It doesn't smell good. Alright. Welcome to my country. Alright. If I pull the box out, yeah, maybe that's the trick. Maybe that's the trick. That's not an easy ejection sequence. Alright. Alright. Bada boom. Okay. I just want to make sure the thing is in living condition in there. Alright. That's I give them 10 on 10 about packing. Because trust me, very well packed. Holy moke. Alright. That's huge. That's 1 foot high. So, my goodness. I have a tape here. Just give me 1 second. Just put that on the side. Holy smoke, man. Alright. So, it's 8 inches wide. About... No, I was wrong. 10 inches high. I thought my bayonet. My bayonet is 12 inches. I make sure it was 12 inches. Yeah. Alright. So what is in there? So I'm gonna do, just put my thing there, so you folks have a better view. Put like this. So you folks have a better view. All right. I hope you see it better. All right, this is the plate. There's the deflector right here. All right. Okay, let me inspect that. It sounds like one I have in the back, but much smaller. This is my biggest type of stove. Definitely. What it said, the name is Samrat number 91. So it said Bush stove number 12, tested, original. Just put my, there's some stain into it, but I can holy smoke. Now the quality of it, I can see some perhaps some leak will occur. You can see some lips there, it's not well welded. This is a plastic cap, of course. That's the name there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna look in the box if there's tool into that. Like usually they. So let's do a good. I hope you're able to see. This is yeah, it is brass. I can confirm. Feel like it. All cap. All right. Let's do some primary inspection before I put some bug juice into there. Ooh, missing oil, that's for sure. No, it is oil. Okay. Holy smoke. Let's open that puppy. Alright, so I can see the gasket. Okay. This is a small valve. I'm just gonna pump it a little bit. Whew. I need some oil, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna get some oil, go outside on my beside my barbecue, and stick around. We're gonna try it. The question is with what? It said oil, so I'm gonna put oil lamp. These stoves are made for oil lamp. I got some naphtha I'm gonna put in there to warm up, and we'll see how it does. Perhaps a fire extinguisher beside it. Yeah, mama. All right, stick around. Cheers. All right, so I'm just starting the stove, and I already can see the pressure is built up. But this is oil coming out, so it's not going to be flammable. So I'm just going to throw that on the side, and then I'm just going to put some naphtha. There we go. Put that on the side here. Light it up. All right. We'll see how it does. I hope you're able to see. All right. I'm just gonna relieve the pressure for now. That's a good news. I've got full pressure. So the tank is not leaking. I was thinking it was leaking from underneath, but no, it's not leaking. So it's gonna take quite a lot because the ball is quite full here. I'm just gonna get a rack, stick around. I'm back. So I'm just gonna stop there and wait until it completely burns because the ball is quite full of oil. So stick around, alright? It's going to take quite a long time to completely burn, but I can tell you something is really missing that I have on the other one. It's a windshield around here. I've got a few spare windshield coming from other stove like these. It will definitely help. and the ball it's only not even 1/5 burn, so stick around. It's been at least 3 minutes, 5 minutes around there, and now it's almost at the end. I'm just gonna close the valve here. I already closed it, and when it starts to bubble, then I'm gonna do now. Oh, it's almost there. Yeah. There we go. The pump needs some love. Let's say if I put a rubber seal, a leather seal, this one is the gasket in there, it's made of rubber and it doesn't catch all the way. Trying to build up pressure in here. Well, I can tell you that right now, it's not the same quality than my first 304 stove that I show you, but it works. Just have a close view. Just try to build up some pressure. Now the sad part about that stove, it doesn't have that little cleaner needle that they have in the middle in case it gets clogged. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need a windshield. As you see, I was able to blow the flame. Yeah, the output is there though. I do not recommend to buy, well, for camping not even, because it's very huge. It's very light. The brass quality is not the same as the first stove that I showed you. Definitely it's less thinner. But I mean, to make an interesting video, I mean, it's my only stove coming from India. Working good though. Oh, the pump is working fine now. All right, folks. How's the simmering action? Whoop. Kind of. It's not quite windy today, so. All right, folks. It was just for an entertainment for you. All right. Remember, folks, life is very good. Thank you very kindly for all your very nice feedback coming towards Marie-Ange. Thank you very kindly for that. And remember, life is very good. Yeah, it's working nice. Let's say it's a house stove in case of an emergency. All right. Cheers. All right, folks. As am I editing this video, I noticed something when I was unboxing, and I saw some color. So under that wrapping, it said, I'm gonna do a close view. It said it's an original stove. I guess it's the name of the company. Aurora. That means it's a number 1 on the stove itself. It's a number 12, and there's number 21 outside stem. It's a paraffin pressure stove. Anyhow, what I learned is oil stove, oil lamp stove, kerosene stove, and paraffin stove, they all work the same. It's basically the same stuff, except paraffin, it doesn't smell as bad as kerosene. And the product that I used to light up the stove, it was paraffin. So yeah, interesting. I still I look in the, yes, I forgot to mention, I still looking for that little opening, but it didn't Didn't came with it. I guess it was drop. All right. Cheers.